Ever wish there was a super simple way to give your revenue a little extra boost or let your awesome customers show some love for your hardworking team? Ready to check out? Well, stop wishing and start winning. Meet tipping for WooCommerce, the slick, easy-to-use plugin designed to seamlessly add a tipping option to your store. Hey, my name is Kevin, and welcome to Sleeker Digital. Why add tipping? Simple. It's a fantastic way to increase your average order value. Think of it as a digital high five that lands right in your account. Plus, it's perfect for businesses where staff go the extra mile, letting customers directly contribute to showing appreciation. No more awkward, how do I tip? Moments online. Now, getting this set up might sound complicated, but trust me, it's easier than explaining crypto to your grandma. In this quick 4-part video series, we're going to cover everything. Lesson 1. What this magic box is and how to get it installed. Zero sweat involved. Lesson 2. Configuring the options like a pro, percentages, titles, making it match your style. Lesson 3. Seeing it live on your checkout and cart pages. Yup, even those fancy new block ones. Lesson 4. Tracking your success with built-in reports and analytics. Because who doesn't love seeing those tip numbers climb? By the end of this series, you'll have a powerful, customer-friendly tipping feature up and running, ready to turn goodwill into tangible results. It's simple, effective, and honestly, pretty cool. Ready to add another income stream with just a few clicks? Let's dive into Lesson 1. Stick around, and let's get tipping.